Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Chapter The Straight Line, Exercise 3B, Section 3, Problem number 3. A straight line whose inclination with the positive direction of the x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise sense is pi by 3 makes positive intercept on the y-axis. If the straight line is at a distance of 4 from the origin, find its equation. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given that angle theta, the distance from the origin to the line is 4. That means we will have the perpendicular distance of required straight line from the origin is 4 and the required line makes positive intercept on the y-axis. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. Given that point of x1 comma y1 equal to 0 comma 0, angle theta equal to pi by 3 that equal to 60 degrees. According to the problem, the required line makes positive intercept with y-axis. Then let C be the y-intercept of the required problem. We can find slope. Slope m equal to tan theta. Here substitute theta value, then m equal to tan 60 degrees, m equal to root 3. The equation of straight line having slope m and y-intercept c is y equal to mx plus c. Here substitute m value, then y equal to root 3x plus c. From this, root 3x minus 5 plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Compare equation number 1 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to root 3, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to c. In the problem, we have to given that the straight line 1 is at a distance of 4 units from the origin. That means the distance of 1 from 0, 0 equal to 4. By using the formula, that is the perpendicular distance of the straight line from the origin is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. That value given equal to 4. Here substitute x1 comma y1 values and also compare a comma b values. Then mod root 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into 0 plus c by square root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square, that is equal to 4. After calculation, mod c by square root of 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Then mod c by root 4 equal to 4. After cancellation, mod c by 2 equal to 4. Then mod c equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. Then mod c equal to 8. C equal to plus or minus 8. And this c equal to 8 because the required line makes positive intercept. Then we take c equal to 8. Substitute c equal to 8 in equation number 1, comma we have 1 implies root 3x minus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, the required straight line equation is root 3x minus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. This is our required problem solution. The straight line. Exercise 3B, Section 3, problem number 4. A straight line L is drawn through the point A of 2, 1 such that its point of intersection with the straight line x plus y equal to 9 is at a distance of 3 root 2 from A. Find the angle which the L makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given a point A and distance R values. The L and the line x plus y equal to 9 point of intersection is at a distance from A. By using the point A and distance R values, we can find the point of intersection by using the parametric equations. And we know the point of intersection of any line passing through the same line. Then we will substitute that point of intersection value in the given line x plus y equal to 9, and then by using these values we can find the angle theta value. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. Given that point A of x1, y1 equal to 2, 1 and distance r equal to 3 root 2. The line is x plus y equal to 9. This is equation number 1. Let theta be the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Let B of x, y be the point of intersection of the lines L and equation number 1. Then we have, by using parametric equations, x equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y equal to y1 plus r sin theta. That is B of x, y equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Here substitute x1, y1 and r values. Then B equal to 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta, 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta. According to the problem, the point B is passing through the line equation 1, we have. If any point passing through the line, then the point is substituted in the line. That is 1 implies 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta plus 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta equal to 9. After calculation, 3 plus 3 root 2 cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin theta equal to 9. Again 3 root 2 common into cos theta plus sin theta equal to 9 minus 3. From this 3 root 2 cos theta plus sin theta equal to 6. From this cos theta plus sin theta equal to 6 by 3 root 2 and cos theta plus sin theta equal to 2 by root 2. After cancellation, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2. Next, cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 equal to 1. This can also written as cos theta into 1 by root 2 plus sin theta into 1 by root 2 equal to 1. We know that 1 by root 2 equal to sin 45 degrees and also 1 by root 2 equal to cos 45 degrees. Here we substitute cos theta into sin 45 plus sin theta into cos 45 equal to 1. The above equation is in the form cos A into sin B plus sin A into cos B, that is equal to sin A plus B form. Then sin of theta plus 45 degrees equal to 1. One can written in sin form, sin of theta plus 45 degrees equal to sin 90 degrees. From this theta plus 45 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Theta equal to 90 plus 45 equal to 45 degrees. The required theta value is 45 degrees. Therefore, angle theta equal to 45 degrees. This is our given problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.